the Mat 9 roller delay. This is full disclosure. This is actually why we came to GunCon.
Yeah, 100%.
I'm not even lying. There you go.
Yeah, no, we can get the whole thing for a couple, like 2 nights on the weekend. Just go ham.
Oh
my gosh. Holy crap.
Last round bolt hold open on block, man.
Yeah. I was saying that.
Suit's so small.
That.
It's so soft. Yeah, whoa. Is this direct blowback? Sure about that?
Okay. If you want, you might want to go up there because they have like a menu.
That is insane. You might do it.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think you need more trigger time. I don't know how good you are with it.
Wait, this is the real test. 45's got a little more snap. That thing's sick.
Right?
Dude, that is absolutely sick.
The 45, there's something really fun and satisfying to me just because it travels slow and then hits it with a big thud.
Yeah, I thought I missed that forward for a second, then I was like, oh, it's a little delayed.
Yeah.
So we've got the tandem cross spread here, mostly rimfire stuff. This thing is sweet. This is pretty much everything right from them except for the optic and brace. Some of the cool stuff here is you have a mag well with no sidewalls, which is cool. Now what's neat about this is your mag release is this paddle that can come towards you to release it, or you can actually go away from you. The safety, this is kind of a very different feature. If you have it engaged, it's kind of in your way, which is cool. You just go down. Everything is ambidextrous, and it's a lot of fun to shoot. All right. Oh, that's really fun. All right, so we've also got a retrofitted Ruger Mark IV 2245. And this one, the only thing that's actually from Ruger is the barrel on here. Everything else is from them as well. And like, look at this thing. This thing's a monster. You got gas pedals and everything. So we're gonna see what we can do here. Ooh. Oh, that's fun. That's incredible. Oh, holy crap. All right, we're here at the Stuff and Things booth where there is all the stuff and all the things. So what we have is a chassis for this Kel-Tec. Now the old school way, just to change your mag, it was like being in stinking California. You had to flip this down, put your other mag in and all that nonsense. So you take this and you throw it, and then you put this modular chassis on, and now you can run this like an American in just basically full-blown freedom mode, as it was always meant to be. Now the chassis is not going to do that, but it does make it a lot better. So Meprolite MCO with the magnifier. Heck yeah. Dude, that thing's sweet. You would not believe the reticle on there. Nice. All right, sweet. Woo. Oh,